I really insist that the study of history is connected to the world in which we live. It's about living in the now and thinking about and preparing for the world that's to come.
Historians are people who are conscious of the world around them. They seek answers about why the world is the way it is, and they are able to sometimes come up with extremely innovative solutions to different types of issues and problems that our societies confront.
I like how my professors actually know my name, and I'm definitely not a number, and they take the time to help me develop outside of the classroom too.
One of the things I know that we do is prepare students for a life of engagement, a life of service, one that's socially aware and ethically responsible. And one of the things that the study of history, I think, can do is ground that action in, again, factual-based information about, again, the way the world works and why it works the way that it does.